Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and today we're going to be talking about Windows 11's biggest problems in rugged computers. This has always been a point of matter whenever we're talking about older rugged computers to the newer ones. So, some of the issues that are included are hardware compatibility. Well, if your unit doesn't have TPM 2.0, or it doesn't have an i5 8th gen processor or better, Windows 11 is not going to load easily on that laptop. Now, there are ways to load it, and I did write a blog about that. You can check out my blog on how to load Windows 11 on your rugged computer, specifically your older unit. Those are some of the hardware issues that are involved, but you also get a slower performance on the really older equipment, because Windows 11 needs more memory, faster hard drives, maybe an NVMe to speed it up, that sort of thing. So you will find that your performance will slow down. Now, some users have reported update issues. So whenever the updates come around, you've got problems with failed updates. They stall. You get the blue screen of death. That's the worst ever because you have to reload your unit. So there are compatibility and update issues that Windows 11 has been having and have continually had since it came out. Those are major issues, especially on older equipment. Another compatibility issue, of course, is drivers. Windows 11 does not necessarily support some of the older specific items in your laptop. So maybe older cards, maybe a broadband card or a Wi-Fi card. So there might be driver compatibility issues based on the older units. That's another problem when loading into these rugged computers. And finally, the one that mostly affects, I think, automotive mechanics is software compatibility. If you're running older software that you need, for example, to diagnose an older vehicle, that software hasn't been upgraded in years. It may not be compatible in Windows 11. You may not be able to run that software in Windows 11, meaning you've got to keep your unit stuck on Windows 7 or Windows 10, depending on the software. So check compatibility of your software before you upgrade to Windows 11. Well, those are just 5 points. You can read more about this on my blog, but hey, leave the comments down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.